It is very long article in which they have mentioned everything in detail. Perform with this model. This model is quite good at emotional intelligence. Hey guys, welcome back to the video, and today we are going to talk about model selection. Whenever we use any LLM like ChatGPT or Gemini or Claude or any other LLM, you might have seen there are a bunch of models listed there, and we often confuse whether they are made for same purpose or different purpose. So in this video we are going to talk about that. We will be talking about why these much models are available on those platforms and what are the usage of those different LLMs. Because recently OpenAI has published a guide in which everything is mentioned in detail. So on behalf of that article, I'm going to talk which model you have to use when or for which task. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Let's start. So firstly, this is the article I was talking about in which OpenAI has mentioned model selection, means which model you have to for which task. You can read it out. This is a short article, but for more detail, there is a OpenAI cookbook. In this article, it is very long article in which they have mentioned everything in detail. This article is created with the partnership of Tribe AI, which is also a platform. Let me show you. This Tribe AI is a company which build AI related products. So with the partnership of this company, they have created this article in which they have mentioned everything in detail. I'll mention these both two articles in the description box. If you want to read, you can read from there. And also there is one PDF nowadays roaming here and there, which is published by OpenAI. It's a guide to build agents, AI agents. So this PDF I'll mention in the description. You can check out from there. So as of now, there are a lot of models that OpenAI has released. Many of them are free and many of them are paid. So now let's talk about everything, which model we have to use for which task and all. So first model is GPT-4o. This is very powerful model for everyday tasks like brainstorming any idea, discussing about any idea, or summarizing any PDF, writing emails, or creating textual content. This model can do this task very well. This model can easily do any summarization task like summarizing meeting notes, writing email and all. So this is GPT-4o, which is very good at doing everyday tasks. Now let's talk about GPT 4.5. This model is very good in creative thinking. Whatever creative task you want to perform, you can perform with this model. This model is quite good at emotional intelligence, clear communication, creativity, and also you can do brainstorm of any idea in detail with creative research with this model. So this is second model, GPT 4.5, which is quite creative. Now let's talk about O4 Mini. It is very good at detailed technical tasks like doing coding, programming, or doing any mathematical equation, solving any mathematical problems, or you can say explaining any scientific research. This model is very good at those things. And one thing I will mention here, whenever you will perform any task with this model, like programming or solving any mathematical equation, etc., it will take a little bit longer time for higher accuracy. And same like previous model, there is one more model which is O4 Minhaj. This is also very good at technical tasks, but it is bit faster than previous model. It will also perform those previous tasks but little bit faster. And there are many things that are included in this model, like it can do or extract very fast any data from CSV file or any article or from any PDF. GPT-O3. This is very good at doing complex or multi-step tasks like strategic planning, detailed analysis of any data, or extensive coding, advanced math, science, visual reasoning. This is very good at this stuff. Suppose if you want to analyze very large data sets, then it can give or draft business strategy based on your analysis of data. 0O Pro Mode. This model is specifically defined for complex reasoning. Whenever you want to do any reasoning task, you can perform with this model. It will take a bit longer to think but delivers the accuracy you need for complex tasks. Like suppose if you want to draft a detailed risk analysis memo for your data privacy, it can generate multi-page research summary on emerging technologies, and also it can create a step-by-step algorithm for financial forecasting using theoretical models. So this model is very good for complex reasoning. So yeah, this was short overview of these models, which model you have to use when you got it. This was just a short overview, and if you want to read more in detail, I'll mention link of those articles in the description box. From there you can check it out. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. Until next time, keep building and keep exploring.